special officer. Nobody does that.
We did not carry anybody.
The man took this alarm. We will not allow because he was chief of the and then he used to carry land.
Sir, everything was acquired legally.
Will you stop that?
You get
will you stop that?
Sir, I'm an officer, I have integrity.
Shut up, your mouth, put us.
I will not shut up.
Will you get out?
Sir, I won't shut up. Sir,
I was in school, you're not in school.
Sir, you can't shut
will
me
you keep quiet?
Get me a
fool.
I'm not
a fool.
I'm not a fool,
you can shoot anybody like that?
Sir, I'm not a fool.
Who are you?
I am not a fool, sir.
As at the time I graduated, you were in primary school.
I'm acting on orders.
Take for which order? You will see whether you will not live here.
Sir, you can't call me a fool.
Go and develop here.
I'm not a fool, sir.
You will have killed everybody here.
No, we won't kill anybody. We won't kill anybody. We are acting on orders.
Go and develop here. Let me see you.
Regular officer, you won't come and
we are going to get out.
I'm not even seeing what is recording. Hello, sir.
Director press.
Okay, don't come. So he don't drop. So he do come. Sir.
Gentlemen, will you leave stadium? Yes, you stadium too. Don't go to what it's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. You want to kill everybody? Please. Kill everybody. No, you kill.
Sorry, I'm not. No. This is the minister here, please.
Guys, this is the minister here. Don't touch me.
Who are you? Who are you? I don't talk to you. Someone there has on me. Who are you? What you trying? They were touching me.
My friend, don't care what
Drop your phone first. You put the drop phone first. Kumbi, you put the drop phone first now.
Don't worry, you don't know. If I'm a fire, you don't talk to me. What I'm saying here, former, is order. It's not a government order. There's no order. Former. Okay, can I tell something?
Sir, let me request you.
It's not officer. It's not serving. Even if you're serving it from Tennessee, this is government property. Show me the document you have. You have no document. I bring the document. Excuse me. I'm the minister. You cannot tell me. You cannot tell me that. We cannot continue to have this impunity. When I provide evil to you, and this is government. You cannot be higher than any government. You cannot be carrying gun to intimidate people not to do their work. Let me tell you, if God got achieve my first half, who spoke to me now, you could have killed everybody here. No problem. I'm not one of those that they can intimidate and do my job.
You are not intimidating anybody.
That's what you're doing.
The civilian, the engineer mobilized to site, and then staff or workers of SCDA
Yes.
to intimidate them.
No, listen now. That is the
Threatening
problem.
them. And that was when the admiral gave the order.
He cannot give order against government.
Because the papers are complete and he
Well,
said submitted
are you
them.
the one? Listen, you know the police you have. Are you the one that will say, paper, which will show me that you are what? First of all, show me that government gave you this place. Two, show me that you have an approval to build what you are building. It has nothing to do with I'm a vice admiral, I'm a lieutenant general. That is not it. We must work according to law. We must work according to law. And who? So who?
No, anybody don't tell like this. Don't tell like this.
Don't you try it.
I said it. Don't try it. Don't try it. Don't try it. Don't tell me this. Don't try it.
Don't tell me I'm lying.
I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
You can't have my name.
Who are you?
You can't try it. I'm not coming so much. And someone come like this. You can talk.
This is your affect everybody.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Can I tell something? Look at this one.
I'm a small boy, but the commission of carrying it. Very confused. Very confused. You are very confused.
Very serious. I don't know whether you can tell You cannot say this government. Government not the document. You don't have document. And you say first admiral sent you. I think this is wrong. He has a document.
Abdul, don't worry.
Okay, what is that? Can you talk to the officer? This is a CDS.
Hello, sir. Morning, sir. I'm fine, thank you, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Afternoon, sir. I'm Navy Lieutenant Terima, sir. Security Officer to Vice Admiral for both time. Yes, sir. So I'm here on the orders. Yes, sir. I'm here on the orders of the admiral. Sir, we mobilized the site a couple of days ago, weeks, sir. And then the engineer kept telling us that policemen are coming to embarrass them and harass them. And they've been coming to threaten them that if they don't leave, they'll strike them, they'll arrest them and all. And then he brought it to our attention. So as the security officer to the Vice Admiral, I was called and then we acted. Sir, we are not doing anything illegal. We are here on the orders of the Vice Admiral. That's it. Ours is just to come and prevent.
Stop this here. For what?
So now we don't call each other now. No, we see the call and the call and talk.
Is he blocking? No. It's okay, it's okay. I don't know why. Because when what I came was this. intimidation. But the point I'm making is that we can't continue to act like this in this country. If the vice admiral has a problem, he should know he should approach the office. It's not because he was a vice admiral, then he sends soldiers to go and do it. What about those who don't have soldiers? Everybody, we're all citizens. What I want to do, anybody can make it. You opportunity to make soldier. But those of you who have you cannot continue to work with that. You are not the one to say you have documents. You are not the one. No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So what? You're harder who than me. That you think you the government. Okay. You can never develop this property. I will not allow it. You have not, if you want to kill everybody, kill everybody. You cannot. You put yourself in trouble.
My friend, you see the minister.
We know the minister now. We know your mate. Let's tell us, say the minister. We know the minister now.
You can even
We know the minister. We know. Tell us.
It's okay now.
Bob, if you want to open mouth, you go swallow anything. Respect yourself. Respect yourself.
Mr. Man, stop threatening anybody here.
Respect yourself. Please.
That you think you the government. Okay. You can never develop this property. I will not allow it. You have not, if you want to kill everybody, kill everybody. You cannot. You put yourself in trouble.
My friend, you see the minister.
We know the minister now. We know your mate. Let's tell us, say the minister. We know the minister now.
You can even
We know the minister. We know. Tell us.
It's okay now.
Bob, if you want to open mouth, you go swallow anything. Respect yourself. Respect yourself.
Mr. Man, stop threatening anybody here.
Respect yourself. Please.
The one it does not belong to him. I will tell you if you have problem, come and see me in the office, that's all it's for. But not to send security men. It's not good. It's not of that land. Please, listen. And the officer should carrying gun intimidating Nigerian body is not the best way. I fight and not nobody that friend of mine. Anybody would die. Because what you're doing now, because you're not family, because you're not family. Nobody comes down. They might do that. I will not allow you when people never and then for you to carry that. Will you stop that? Shut up your mouth, put us out. Will you get that? I was in school, you're not in school. Will you keep quiet? If you're a big fool, you are a big fool. I'm not. You think you can shoot everybody like that? I'm not. You are a big fool. I see.
Stop touching him.
As at the time I got voted, you are primary school.
I'm acting on order.
For which order? You will see whether you will not be here.
You can't come in.
Go and develop here. Go and develop here.
I'm not.
You will have killed everybody here.
Don't kill anybody. Don't kill anybody. We're acting on order. Gentlemen, hold ground. We stand our ground. All right, sir. Regular officer, you don't comment. Who are you now? Who are you now?
Keep quiet, my friend.
Who are you now? My friend, get out of this place.
Nah, this, you know who? The mumu. As they all like this now, you don't get sense. It's a spectator, I'm supposed to get sense. They want to talk to him, I tell the show annoyance. It is that you can go take care of your family. It's okay now. Let's go, Joe. It is that we will go there. It is that we don't know how to fight. We will respect where we come from. When things happen like this now, your family will suffer. You do your plating. Oga is fine, Jare. Oga is fine. Oga is fine, Jare. It's fine. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It's fine, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir. Everything is fine, sir. It's okay.
First Minister, I don't. This is how it is done.
Oh.
Abdul.
I think I'm winning.
I fight and nobody can spend on that. Anybody will die. Because what you're doing because you're not family, because you're not family. Nobody does that. The man took the Arab, will not allow you when you on the bus and then for you to carry that. Will you stop that? Shut up your mouth, put yourself. Will you get that? I was in school, you're not in school. Will you keep quiet? If you're a big fool, you're a big fool.
I'm not.
You think I shoot anybody like that?
I'm not.
You're a big fool. I see.
Stop touching him.
As at the time I graduated, you were primary school.
I'm acting on order.
For which order? And this, you will see whether you will not be here.
You can't tell me.
Go and develop here. Go and develop here.
I'm not.
You will have killed everybody here.
Don't kill anybody. Don't kill anybody. We're acting on order. Gentlemen, hold ground. We stand our ground. All right, sir. Regular fire. What's going on?
Who are you now? Who are you now?
Keep quiet, my friend.
Who are you now? My friend, get out of this
Nah, this, you know who? The mumu. As they all like this now, you know get sense. It's a spectator now, supposed to get sense. They want to talk to him, so I tell the show annoyance. It is like you go take care of your family. Let's go, Joe. It is like we go there. It is like we don't know what to talk. We don't know how to fight. We will respect where we come from. When things happen like this now, your family go suffer. You jail, Oga is fine, Gary. Oga is fine. Oga is fine. Oga is fine, Gary. It's fine. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It's fine, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir. Everything is fine, sir. It's okay.
First Minister, I don't. This is how it is done.
Oh.
Abdul.
I think I'm winning. Please, no issue. That's why we don't talk anything. But him supposed to be like in our family. No, see that's corner now.
So they don't go anywhere now.
How many if I call this call, you fight me, you. If I call this call, you fight me. You. I swear to God. Hey, Baba. You don't learn work. You don't learn work.
You people don't learn work.
I said, when they train for this, what's it called? This way they train you, they show annoyance back. Don't worry, go drop rifle. Don't worry.
You don't know what is happening in this country.
Gentlemen,